Today, peach cobbler meets green smoothie. Come and join me in my smoothie station. Hi, my name's Karen and welcome to my smoothie station series. Now let's get started on whipping up this great smoothie. So to start with, I'm going to put in a handful of fresh spinach. I often use freeze-dried spinach, but I happen to have fresh spinach right here. There's a few that are starting to get a little wilty. It's kind of why I prefer freeze-dried, but hey, I have some fresh, so let's use it. So a handful. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. So I have it in here. It gets hard. It was coconut milk from a can, and because it separates and gets hard, I put it in here so I can easily just mix it up in my magic bullet. So I'm just going to pour in. Can you see that? Do it this way. There we go. So a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. One, 2, and 3. And splash a little bit on me. Okay. Then I'm going to get some peaches. So this time I am using freeze-dried peaches. My can is almost empty, so I thought I'd use it up. I'm going to use 1/2 cup. So stick it in there, the end of my can. I like to have it overflow a little bit. Check out what they're like. Freeze-dried peaches. Pretty nice. I'll just put them in there. Put the lid back on so it stays fresh for those last few in there. And then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of those superfoods. You definitely want to add cinnamon into your food. Plus, who doesn't like cinnamon? Yum! Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I have some extra water just in case. When you're using freeze-dried foods, you often need more liquid. So if I need more liquid, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. So let's whip this up and see what it's like. Okay, so it is looking a little dry, so I am going to add some water. And I'm just going to scrape down the sides a little. All right, let's give this a try. Really good. I think I'm going to add a little bit of ice. It's a beautiful green color. Let's see. Okay. Let's pour it up. Ready? Take a look at that. Beautiful green, peach, cinnamon, spinach, coconut milk, and Greek yogurt. Okay, this should taste really good. Let's check it out. And I'm glad I added ice so that it's colder. This is pretty good. If you like peaches, if you like cinnamon, and you like green smoothies, check out this one. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share. And I hope we're all trying to eat healthy and have thriving lives. Cheers! Till next time, bye.